And we're not supposed to be safe. We're supposed to get in cars with a hangover and drive as fast as humanly possible across foreign lands. Looking for pussy.
I'm driving a Ferrari F12 through Spain. I'm on my way to the Pyrenees Mountains. I'm gonna tear it up all the way to Marbella. After Marbella, I gotta fly back on a private jet to London, pick up the Rolls Royce Tristan Ball. Get in the Rolls, drive to Warsaw, Poland, where I left my 812 Superfast. It's been sitting there for 6 months. Get in that, drive back to Romania, and get home just in time to relax for a week before I go to Ukraine, Kiev, for the Operator Summit, the War Room Summit. I don't understand how you men, and this is a message to all men on Twitter, this is not just the people who follow me. I see people with big Twitter accounts, big following. How you live an existence so mundane. Where is your action? Where's your adventure? If you look at my feed, it's non-stop adventure. And you guys are just like, I went to the gym, I read a book, gonna cook dinner now. Look, what the fuck are you doing with your fucking life? You're a man. And the most masculine essence is to seek risk, to seek adventure. That's what you're supposed to do as a man. This is why I never believed the corona shit when all you did. You ate it up and lapped it up because you've been conditioned to start thinking like a female. Safety. Oh, let me just look after the kids. Oh, Men, we're not supposed to be safe. We're supposed to get in cars with a hangover and drive as fast as humanly possible across foreign lands, looking for pussies. That's what we're supposed to do. I really am amazed that when I look on the Twitter feeds of all these other people who are successful, all of their lives are brutally mundane. Brutally. And they can say, oh, but I'm just happy reading a book. Well, that's good for you. You're just happy reading a book. But if you're going to go through life and you're not going to seek adventure and take risk, as I do, permanently, then you need to accept a part of you has become feminine. That's the reality, because men are out here doing shit.